Club of Cleveland here, representing the American Garden this year. Great. Good to see you. Hungarians, hello. How are you? What's that? Istan? How do you say? Welcome in Hungarian. Like she said. Oh, Hungarians. All right, Hebrew Garden, hello. Indonesia, say hi. Hi. There's the Indonesian community going to be in the Parade of Flags here at One World Day today. Welcome.
Good morning. If you can hear my voice, welcome to the Parade of Flags. I need you if you have just arrived. It's a busy weekend for you, Dan. One person to the blue tent to receive instructions. And check in, please, if you're just arriving, send one person.
Peruvian community, hi, welcome.
We are here. We are back.
You're back, good to see you again.
Thank you.
Palestinian community, hello and welcome.
Hi.
Moroccans, welcome, how are you? You ready for the Parade of Flags, all right. Mexican Garden, good to see you. Getting ready for the Parade of Flags. Hey,
¿qué tal?
Mexican Garden, here we go.
There you go.
How are you, Dan?
How are you, Dan?
Good. Filipinos, all right. See you. Colombians, a big groundbreaking yesterday, or Friday.
Yes.
Colombian Garden getting ready for the Parade of Flags. All right, there we go. And Chile getting ready, all right. Cool. He's looking for his buddies here, getting ready for the parade, but he'll be ready. Long time no see. Since yesterday.
So you're right after.
The Swiss community getting ready for the Parade of Flags here.
Wait. Sorry.
All right. Cool. Piast. My favorites.
Hi.
How are you? You got here? Scottish, all right. Groundbreaking, eh? Azerbaijani, the Lebanese Garden getting ready for the parade. All right. There's that cedar tree flag getting ready. All right, the cedar tree of Lebanon.
Good morning. You're just arriving. We need one person from your delegation.
Oh, we got a lot still. They're taking their time getting here, huh? All right. Good to see the Haitians coming together here for the Parade of Flags again. Welcome, Haiti. They're getting the flag out. We got his little one. There we go. All right, Haitian community getting ready for the Parade of Flags here at One World Day. There's that. Thanks, guys. Pakistan getting ready to line up. Young Pakistanis, all right. Start them young. All right, our French group. Oh man, now we know we're in trouble. We got the Scottish Garden here. Good to see you guys. Where's your blue shoes? I'm always going to think of those.
That's okay. Good to see you.
You got to wear them next year to the Christmas game. Oh, all right.
Yeah, we got a whole pipe band this year.
What band do you have?
Celtic Eagle.
Cool. All right, let's go check them out. Celtic Eagle Pipe Band warming up for the Parade of Flags. So, who can tell me about the Celtic Eagle Pipe Band?
So we are based in Akron, Ohio, but we have members from all over Northeast Ohio.
How long you been around?
This is our 20th anniversary.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
and is it all Celtic, not just Scottish?
We play both like Irish and Scottish music. We're also part of the Ohio Scottish American Association. We're the main band for that group, so we do a bunch of like
All right.
Scottish ancestry.
Looking forward to Celtic Eagle Pipe Band. One World Day today. There you are.
Hey.
All right.
You might want to check with somebody else in case I'm wrong.
Yeah, he's waiting for you, Kazakhs. There's one guy there. Hi.